As a strong business development professional,
we are doing distribution and all the customers and the retailers definitely ask for quality products, and if we can help them out with various products and all.
he has a demonstrated history of working in food production industry.
We decided why not we move forward with diversification and move into food products.
Newsx India A-List proudly recognizes Ashish Khandelwal for excellence in business leadership.
Hello and welcome to NewsX A-List. Today I'm joined by Mr. Ashish Khandelwal. He's the Managing Director of BL Agro Industries Limited. A very warm welcome to NewsX, sir.
Yeah.
Ashish, first and foremost, why don't you tell us about your organization, about the company and the journey so far?
Well, BL Agro was formed in 1999 as a private limited concern. As in BL Agro, if we say we are more or less, it was made by our forefathers and all. So more specifically, BL grandfather, his name was Bishan Lal. So it is formed on his name. We are into business from past 75 years.
And what was the reason for you all to enter kitchen ready products?
Well, basically for diversification, and as we are doing distribution and all, the customers and the retailers definitely ask for quality products, and if we can help them out with various products and all. So we decided why not we move forward with diversification and move into food products.
Tell me something, how's the response been so far, especially, you have ventured with Nourish now. So how has the response been?
Up till date, fortunately, since we have started, it has been COVID. So if we say launching of the product was the previous years, from Jan itself.
Okay.
It was started 2020 Jan. So the journey is not much long. We faced lockdowns, and definitely to move forward. And since everything we will hit our target, but we cut off, say by next year.
But where COVID has hit in, and it has been a problem for, but kitchen ready products are something which I believe a lot of people are now looking at, because people didn't have house helps coming, people didn't have people to help them, or people who have never stayed home all the time, or were used to ordering from outside, had to make food at home. So there, I think your organization
that is where we had a good push in delivery and all. Otherwise, being new product and lockdown, placement was a bit tough, and everything else otherwise is good.
It's likewise. So a lot of things are changing now. Things are evolving in a way that we've never seen earlier. So Mr. Khandelwal, which is the existing market where your brand is actually prominent right now, and what are the new markets that you're planning to target?
Right now we are in northern, which more or less is Uttar Pradesh, Uttarachal, Bihar, Delhi, NCR, Haryana, Rajasthan. We are permanent here, but say in couple of months, definitely we are moving to south and more towards eastern part of India.
Trying to make a pan-India. That'd be very good. You have, you can see aggressively you're promoting your brand now. What are the new marketing strategies that have been put in place?
We always opt distribution. So we try to maintain relations with distributors and retailing. So company provide all sales staff and everything. The sales staff gathers all the market reports and demands, and then we try and so the more prominent and more convenient strategy is retailing nowadays, because nobody feels like moving out and go to market and all, going into mass. And today being COVID problem for retailers to move, and might be wholesaling is working, markets are open or not. So we are trying to maintain retail.
So are you planning to place your product majorly online also?
Yeah, we have recently started a portal.
Okay.
It will take, say again, it is on trial mode. More or less within a week, it will be fully functional.
It is very interesting to see nowadays. I've also noticed, as I've also been ordering from home, people are used to the bigger, online shopping markets like Amazon. But there are a lot of small companies that we are noticing have also curated their own apps, which are making whatever you want to buy, whatever the products are available on the app. Are you thinking towards going that way?
Yeah, we definitely we are launching Nourish app with the name of Nourish Store.
Okay.
Be available side by side with the sites and all, and we think from 1st of July online with, and try to definitely fulfill the desire of customer.
What are your expansion models that you're looking at? When we talk about increase in production line, what kind of more new products would we be expecting?
Typically, pulses, flour, and all. In India, it has not been innovated.
Yes.
There's not been much innovations and all. So we have tried to find some specific machines and all. Like right now we are, if we go through the flour, we are grinding it with the stone mill, which we use in older, which was churned by hands, but it is more motorized. Again, it is from Austria.
Okay.
And we have started vacuum packaging of pulses and food items. Innovation, very new of its kind, as nobody in India do pulses a vacuum pack. And in a similar way, I try to procure more specific machines and all, and trying to give more flavors and more specific aromas, the best quality what we can provide for it.
In a business like yours, consumer is king in every form. What kind of demand of products are you seeing nowadays? There's a lot of
after COVID, people are more aware about the quality of the product.
Yes,
they are willing to pay more on good product. So we are trying to produce more better product. And definitely it is always, we don't have as such competitions or anything that we face कि नहीं ये rate ज़्यादा है या quality में up to mark नहीं. We try to maintain the best, and specifically we are doing more Indian pulses.
So are you looking at an organic chain also?
Right now we are not planning for organic, because organic has lost its quality and all. Every brand right now is saying we are doing organic, and specifically in FSSAI we don't have any test organic.
Okay.
So that is a problem, and when we say organic, it needs a specific amount of less than pesticides and all. And in any case, अगर आप organic की बात कर रहे हो तो एक crop को आने में it takes 7 years. And
so it's not feasible. Yeah. It's financially not feasible. Thank you, Mr. Khandelwal. Thank you so much for speaking to NewsX, and thanks a lot for being on board with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.